Guys, my son is here cleaning up his rabbit coop and feeding them, giving them water as well. So welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacy. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all and God bless you all. Lishan, you come up with any name as it? Why not? You're still waiting on a new cage? Any reason for that?
They have to have their good home, and then they have the nice little feeding space and all of that.
So you're excited about them?
Yeah.
So how you feel that I put them in the garden?
I feel kind of little sad.
Why you feel sad? You still have access to them. It's just that I want them closer. That when the coop make and then, you know, and they poo, I can have easy access. What you wanted?
Them to go in the front
Which front?
of our house.
Hell no. How can you have the rabbit in the front of the yard, Lijan?
How can I not?
Guys, you see what I have to put up with on a daily? No, so I am not trying to rob you the joy of having your pets, right? It's just that we can share. No, we can share.
Sure.
Anyways, so I am getting these lovely lettuces. I am getting all the outer leaves and then allow the inner leaves to continue to grow. And I'm trying to get them as tender as this because I don't want for them to taste bitter. They generally have a bitter taste, in my opinion, when I allow them to stay too long before I harvest them. So I am trying to, even though they don't usually go to waste, I will put them in my compost, but I need them to eat. And that's the aim. Having a little leftover for compost tea is, yes, good, but the intention is to eat as much as I can. So I have this tomato cage right here that I'm using to trellis this cucumber. You can see I am getting cucumbers on here. Initially I had it extended, but then I took it off because I was saying I could, try to improvise and use less and use these elsewhere. But due to how it is progressing, I decided that I'm going to put them on back and have them and have it and have the vine trellis up, properly. Give it its chance to really do its thing. So yeah, just adding back these. Ah, okay. Man. Going to put, I'm short one. Oh, no, I'm not. These on. All right, so now I can just add this right here properly. Maybe give it a little curve or a little twist. A little twist is better. So when these grow up more, then I can also have them coming up like so. So this is much better. Mulberry harvest has now become an everyday thing for me. And like I've said in my previous video, it is like a dream come true.
Help me big up Jamaica, the land of wood and water. The system might not proper, but we love the vibe, the food and the culture. Whoa, can't you see the beauty of this country? Me never know a serious thing until me reach a foreign. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. Now with the money in your pocket and a God in your heart. Crowd of people, what more you want? Reggae music, I play a reggae artist a chant. I saw me born, I'm in a transplant. What a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. A man will look on a banana boat and him a gone over broad. Because him say everywhere better than he have. But when him touch certain countries, see this system a fraud, him have to run back a jam down and give it its reward.
Currently, this is the progress of my grape. So I put a bag on there. I put them in a mesh because I had two sets for those who don't know. And one of them, when I came out one morning, they were much smaller than this. They were wrecked. So I wasn't sure what happened to them. So I ensured that I secured this bunch right here because it was fine. So yeah, that's the progress right there. I haven't seen any more as yet. I really don't get the chance as yet to check the vine, and I can't right now. So yeah, I'll check it another day to see if anything else pushing out. Remember I told you whenever I start to harvest these mulberries, the more I harvest, the ones that remain, the bigger they will be. Some of them are huge. Look at this one. This compared to the other ones, like this. They are so juicy, one of them burst in my hands, like I squeeze on it too hard. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.